There's a reason I have a lot to say about the Revair. Tune in to watch my type 4 natural hair transform from its shrunken state to these nice stretched results. Before I start, I want to stress the fact that I limit heat and I use a heat protectant or a leave-in conditioner before every single section. I make sure that the heat setting on my Revair is no higher than 4, but it's still important to make sure you have some kind of protectant coating your strands. I always finger detangle before wash day. I comb every single section out before blow drying it, but I don't have to do as many passes because I've done the bulk of the detangling beforehand. I already have a finger detangling video up on my channel, by the way. I put my section in and I make sure to move it around my roots to make sure they get stretched as well. Usually I like to stop midway and comb the section out. Not too much, just a couple passes, because remember that combs can cause breakage too. If I feel the results could be a little more stretched, then I'll put it back in the Revair and then I'll move on to the next section. To safeguard the health of my hair, I limit blow drying my hair to 1 time a month. I only blow dry 6 times out of the year max. One more thing is I always make sure that my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned before I blow dry it. Blow drying on damp hair is a must because it cuts down on how much time you have to expose your hair to heat. This is important for blow dryers in general, but the Revair definitely can't tolerate water pouring into it. It uses reverse air technology and puts more emphasis on tension than heat. Also, it only takes about 30 to 60 seconds to blow dry each section. No other blow dryer has given me faster results, to be honest. I always make sure to be patient and careful when parting my hair. I swear to God, type 4 hair fights back when you're parting it. Never underestimate the amount of breakage that can happen if you're not extremely careful when it comes to parting hair, and especially in its shrunken state.